Antay natin si Kuya. No, we'll wait Kuya outside because Kuya is calling me and I forgot to answer. Kaya tawagan ako ni Kuya driver kasi nag-order kami ng Jollibee ni Bibiana. Wala kaming pang lunch. Yeah? Wala tayong pang lunch? Where is Kuya? Huh? Kuya been calling to me. Naka-unmute pala itong isa kong cellphone. Nabuang na. Hindi tayo mahanap ni Kuya. Driver. Oh, that's him? Wait natin si Kuya dito. Where's the Kuya? Kuya, where's the Jollibee? Bibiana is hungry now. Mukha. Ang mukha ni Harun. Yeah, you have to wait, anak. You have to wait. Where is Kuya? Come. You have to wait, anak. It's hot. Thank you po. You want Jollibee? We got Jollibee. Careful na, careful. Too hot. Anak, wait lang, nak, wait lang. Just wait. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Gonna eat Jollibee. We're gonna eat Jollibee. Come, let's go inside. Here, this way. Move there, move. Go get inside. Go get inside. Okay. No. We're not going to sit there. Anak, nak, you have to wash your feet first. Come here. It's dirty your feet. Oh, wow. Bakit?
Mama!
Okay.
Mama!
Mama, we're gonna get a spoon and it's okay. May nag-order ako ng ng ice cream. Isa lang yung nilagay ko doon sa kasi tinanggal ko.
Mama!
Ay, patawarin naman tong batang ito.
Mama!
Anak, yeah, we're going to eat. Dalawa na nga lang tayo, ang ingay pa natin. Which one you like? You want the rice or spaghetti?
Mama! Mama!
Okay, let me put this sa other one kasi isa lang in-order ko na ice cream. Dalawa yung dumating. Ay, malaba din. Oy, wait na. Oh, yeah, that's right. Tama. Wait ma, I put this in the freezer first. Uy, kagulo ng mundong ibabaw.
Mama!
Di man makapag-antay. Patawarin. Anak, you have to wait, okay? You should learn how to wait. Not everything you can get right away. Patawarin kang bata ka. Buti na lang akala ko, dalawa. Inumin pala ito. Dalawa na nga lang tayo. Ingay pa natin.
Mama!
Yeah, you have to wait, anak, please. You want this spaghetti? Oh, no. Don't make a mess, okay? Oh, no, Mama, we're gonna pour it here. And mix it up. You have to blow and you have to pray. Okay, can you pray now? Put your hands together. What's that? Okay, put your hands together and pray. Okay? Put your hands together. Put your hands together and pray. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Lord, thank you for the food. Amen. Patawarin. Hindi na nakapag-antay. Anak, not like that. Ay, naku na. You're gonna spill it on the chair. Wait, mommy. Mama, we're gonna get a tissue. Wait. Where is na ba yun, anak? Wait lang, kinakabahan ako. Mamaya madumihan mo yung ni uncle. Ay, Diyos ko, pati ko na lang iiwanan ko. I cannot leave you like that, anak. Can I feed you? Anak? Wait, mommy, mama, get tissue. This way, mommy. Tissue, what here? It's okay, it's okay. You eat na, eat na. Come. It's okay, mommy. We're going to wipe your messy place. Don't make a mess, anak, because I don't want to. Oh my goodness. I don't want to clean up now. We're done cleaning the house. Okay? Don't make a mess. Please. Can I put this one down? So you're not going to make a mess? Yes, okay. That's okay. Leave it there. Leave it there. Leave it. I put that in purpose, anak. So you won't make a mess. Okay, eat na, eat. You use the spoon. Huh? Slowly, huh? Slowly. Show it properly. Which one? I know. See, napansin niya yung camera ko na. Black out na. Wait, mommy. Can I eat too? Can I have my food? Your food. Okay. Can I eat also? Okay. Where do I sit? Here? Just here lang? Okay. Here na lang. Parang hindi ka malaglag. No, it's not that cute anymore. Don't be a good pretender. Say, Lord, thank you for the food. Amen. Anak, matuto ka ng mag-ano ha. You should have patience. Long patience. Okay. Hindi pa siya satisfied sa kanyang spaghetti. Magkakanin pa siya. It's yummy. Is it yummy? Okay, no, it's okay. Feed yourself. Mama is good. Yummy? Yummy. Don't make a mess, okay? Which one? Just eat. So, with a spoon. No more ate. Ate is not here. Tulog kasi ng tulog si ate eh. It's okay. Careful. Uwi na kami. Okay, it's all good, baby. Check muna natin last time, anak, eh. Minsan pag nasa bahay na ako, para akong buang. Yeah, I know, mommy. Let me check here. Kasi para pag nasa bahay na ako, para akong balon, hindi mo maintindihan. Okay, malinis naman eh. Meron lang tayo ng uk-uk. Ano ba tayo to? Anyway, tapos na yan. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Turn off the light. That's off. Oh, come here. Get in. Come on. Get in. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to. Daddy book us the grab. Go the snack. Unplug. Ito, close. Kasi minsan ito pa naman iniisip ko na. Sabi ko, baka buka yung ref. Ano bang naiisip ko? So, this one is all good. Anak, yes, anak. Unplug everything. Yeah, we're waiting for the taxi, anak. We're waiting for the grab, then we will go. Okay, it's all good now. Can we go upstairs first? Come on, let's check there. Come on. check muna namin dito sa taas. Hindi naman kami umakyat dito kanina. Check lang muna natin dito, bebe. Kung lahat ba ay okay. Aray, ang bigat mo, ayan na, ha? Okay. Okay pa naman. Lahat naka-off. That's all good. Dito, all good also. Binuksan ko lang to ng ilaw ng konti. Yung kortina. Pero that's all good, baby. Okay. Let's go down. Bye. So, ganyan tsura. Yeah, I know, nak. Let's check one more time kasi nag-ano ako. Okay. Okay. Just ko na yung Marimar. Wait. Let's go. Oops. Bye. So everything is good, right? Yung phone ko pa naman nagdaday na. Okay. Is that? Uwi na kami mga shots. Okay. We're just waiting for the grab. Tung batang tung pawis na pawis. Wait, nak. Wait, nak. Waiting na lang kami sa aming sundo. Sundong grab. Oh, knock niya. Be patient, anak. We have to wait, kuya. Kuya driver.
No.
Yeah, we have to wait, kuya. See, thank you for watching. Bye. Bye-bye. Give them kiss. Flying kiss. Wala.